Hi guys, in this video I'll show you how to edit a bank statement PDF. So some of you might already be aware that it is not easy to edit PDFs as like everything is messed up when you try to edit your PDF. So how can you simply edit it? So just open up any of your browser in your like PC or laptop or mobile phone and go to Google and search here SEJDA and click enter, and from here you will be able to see this website. Sajda helps your PDF tasks. So this is the official website of like editing your PDFs without causing any kind of errors. So just go to this website, and after that let me just remove this. And after that, when you are here on this website, so just click on edit a PDF document, and from here just choose upload PDF file. So let's say you have like saved any of the PDF. Let me just check if I have saved a PDF in this section. So let's say I have this PDF. Click on open, and once you click on open you will be able to see everything. Let's say you want to change this number, so just choose this number and edit this. Like as you can see, this is the 9020899. So I just want to like write it 000, and after that just click on apply changes. And once you click on apply changes, as you can see, this is the like giving me how you can download it. So just start download and open, and that is a simple and easy process of how you can edit any PDF without making any mistakes and without like messing up your PDF and complete your task.